Hi Kennedy kids, it's Miss Paulson, and today for your Monday morning greeting, I'm going to be sharing a song called the Crawdad Song. If you can't read that, that's what it's called. Crawdads are kind of like a lobster. They're like a crustacean you can eat. And you find them, though, not so much in the ocean, usually in rivers or swamps or that kind of thing. This is a bittersweet folk song for me to be sharing because originally this was the song that one of the songs the third graders would have been singing in their concert this year. We were preparing for that, and then only about a month or 3 weeks before our concert, everything got canceled for the whole year. So, third graders, I hope you enjoy hearing this song. You can sing along if you want. And for everyone else who doesn't know it, just please enjoy Crawdad Song. If the computer will be nice to me. There we go. You get a line and I'll get a pull, honey. You get a line and I'll get a pull, babe. You get a line and I'll get a pull, and we'll go down to the Crawdad hole, honey. Sugar baby mine. Get up, old man, you slept too late, honey. Get up, old man, you slept too late, babe. Get up, old man, you slept too late. Last piece of crawdads on your plate, honey. Sugar baby mine. Get up, old woman, you slept too late, honey. Get up, old woman, you slept too late, babe. Get up, old woman, you slept too late. Crawdad man's done past your gate, honey. Sugar baby mine. Along come a man with a sack on his back, honey. Along come a man with a sack on his back, babe. Along come a man with a sack on his back, picking all the crawdads that he can pack, honey. Sugar baby mine. What you gonna do when the lake goes dry, honey? What you gonna do when the lake goes dry, babe? What you gonna do when the lake goes dry? Sitting on the bank and watch the crawdads die, honey. Sugar baby mine. Goodbye, Kennedy kids. I miss you so much.